Bored of your wallpaper? Let's bring it to life. Today, I'm going to show you how to set a live zombie wallpaper on your PC. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Lively Wallpaper for Windows 11. Go to the official website, click Download, and then hit Save. Once the download is complete, install Lively Wallpaper on your PC. Next, open a new tab and search for Live Zombie Wallpaper Video. Click the first link that appears. Scroll down until you find the Download Mirror button. Click it. A ZIP file will start downloading. After it finishes, extract the zip file. Open the folder, and you'll see a zombie video inside. All right, now let's apply it as your wallpaper. Click the Windows Start button, search for Lively Wallpaper, and open the app. Inside Lively, click on Add Wallpaper, then select Choose a File. Pick the zombie video you downloaded and click OK. And that's it. Congratulations! You've successfully set a live zombie wallpaper on your PC. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe